Sunday, and welcome to OUTHAUS 3D Prints. Let's take a look and see what we got going on this Sunday afternoon. It's 102 degrees here and has been for the last 3 days, so I'm kind of dying and sweltering. Let's take a look. Sorry for the shift there. One day I'll buy some good equipment. Right now I am working on trying to figure out how to do this basket in Fusion 360. I started on Friday, and no matter what I did, the lines continued across the entire image. So I'm trying again today, and we'll see how it goes. This is why I was printing so much yesterday, because I was frustrated. Let's see what we got going on. I printed the saber-tooth fish flexies last night. Overnight, took about 14 hours. They came out pretty good. We'll see what we do with them. I may try and dry rub them or dry paint them, and we'll see. We'll see. I wish he'd do a keychain version of this, because I like the keychains. They're usable, kind of functional. I also printed, we got some crabs. Unfortunately, that one and the one over there, the legs didn't adhere right, but I sized these up to be keychains as well. Now over here, as you folks have seen, I have been printing for stock, and this is what I got going right now. Now, I do plan on printing some actual usable items, not just flexies, but other items like pen holders and stuff like that are actually functional prints. I'm not going to just be flexies. I do like the gaming space. I really enjoy the towers and everything like that. It allows me to be a little bit creative with the painting and everything like that. Dry brushing I've never done, so we'll see how they turn out once I start doing that. Moving on real quick to the Soval. As you can see, I kind of built a wall there because I'm going to add at least one or two more printers. The Soval itself, I did receive the card. However, I ordered a new fan just because. This fan actually smelled after I did what I did. And I just want to mention again that Soval customer service, absolutely phenomenal. They said they were going to ship this from China. They ended up finding it in Rancho Cucamonga and getting it to me in 3 days. The fan is coming from China, so I'm waiting on that. I don't want to fire this up and have another issue. I miss this. I miss the big plate. Never knew how important having a big plate was. Now, the wall here, I'm eventually going to put a printer here and there. I want to keep the printers away from common walls, because this place is so small that basically I don't want to annoy the neighbors. Anyway, I just thought I'd give a quick update, seeing as I have posted so many shorts. Thank you all for clicking on this. And for those of you that have subscribed, it means the world. Have a great Sunday.